Hey guys, so today we are going to be putting on the new Makeup by Mila lashes, which you can purchase from me, which they're sold out right now, but I'm going to restock them soon, so I'll have all that info on my social media, which will be down below. We're going to be putting the Annie lashes on Annie today. She is the one that inspired me to have one made after her, so we're going to be putting those on her today. Okay, so first I'm just going to be taking a pair of tweezers. This is how I get them out of the box. Just start from the end if you can. Okay, here we go. You just take them out like that, and then you have one of your lashes. I'm going to take the lashes first, and I'm just going to measure them to her eye. Put in the inner corner, and then whatever's left on the end that's a little long, you'll just trim off. So I'm going to take these last two sections of hair off with the scissors. Okay, so you're going to take that much off, and if there's any extra band on the end, just cut the band off like that. Okay, so I placed the tweezers up into the band, so when you do go to put them onto your eyelid, you have more control. And then I'm just going to take this lash glue, which is this Kiss lash glue. You can literally just get it at Walmart. And you're just going to put it right on the top of the lash band. And then you're going to sit and let this lash glue dry for about 30 seconds. You just want to wait and let it get tacky. If it is too liquidy still, it's going to slide off your lashes, and then if it's dry, it's just dry. It's not going to stick. So once it gets tacky, we will go ahead and put these on her eyelashes. So I'm just going to take this and place it like I did in the inner corner first. And then press it right in the middle to get secure first. Inside the inner corner. Pop that right on the lash line. Press it in. And then get it outside. I just use my hands and then the tweezers to press it in to the lash line. So I don't put it on top of the lash line. I put it right underneath, right where they're coming out, kind of like a lash extension would be. And then I just keep pressing until they're in place and dry fully. Okay, so now you can see the difference between the Annie lash on this side and then her natural lash on that side. No lashes versus these lashes. I am going to go in with some mascara just to blend her natural lashes to the false lashes, and then that will be the complete look. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other lash to show you all the final look. So with my lashes, they do have a very flexible band. So if you have a different eye shape than what it comes as, you can just, as it's drying, just keep bending it. Like if you have more straight eye like that, you can just hold it like that and it'll dry like that. If you have more of a curved eye, you just need to hold it in a U shape. They'll stay pretty much however, as long as you are doing it while they're drying. Alright guys, so this is the final product with the Annie lashes on Annie. I also did her makeup today, which I'll have details tagged on my makeup Instagram because I'm going to take some pictures of her in a few minutes. Let me zoom in for you all real quick on these lashes. There we go. Look down for me and then back up. Yeah! Alright guys, so this is the end of the video and the final product. If you all want to see more pictures of my lashes and how to purchase my lashes, you can go to my Instagram, which will be down below in the description box. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and tutorials on how to use my products. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.